11:10 a.m. The grass muncher is here. This little mower ain't stopping for anybody. Alright, in the meantime, I have to move up. I beg your pardon. Hold still. There we are. The grinder, the double-ended grinding machine from Railworks, sliding off the main down into the hole. The FRA geometry car, that is the Norfolk Southern geometry car, is on its way. Whoop, watch out. We'll let the grass muncher go first. We'll watch the grinder ease down onto the team track. Foreman Mr. Phipps will restore and normal the Indrio hand throw. And we will await the NS geometry train. They'll lay up about there. The little muncher is just mowing those weeds. That's good. Foreman Mr. Phipps will get in the clear. And we will await the next train. Right here at MB 236 on the Florida East Coast Main Line.